What's up, guys? So I just want to bring this up, and first off, I hope you guys are all well, but you guys know that I was supposed to be going to the Canadian Superbike races this past weekend, and we were on our way. We almost got there, and some bad shit happened. Some bad shit. I am in the process of editing that video now. It is a doozy. I'm happy he's all right, but there was a crash involved. Um, so I got his permission and everything. Everything's all good. So I have his part of the footage, and I'm gonna edit it in with mine because I was leading the pack, so I wasn't able to get the actual footage of exactly what happened, first person sort of thing. But I'm gonna edit it all and get it up for you guys, and you guys can take a look at that, and I will have his link in the description when I upload that video. He's a very lucky dude, so you guys will definitely want to check out that video. Don't sleep on it. It is a really shitty thing to happen. um, you know Bikes, like, damn. So anyways, check that. I'm gonna have that up probably in the next day or two. Just gotta edit it. I'm actually doing that right now, but I wanted to let you guys know that I wasn't able to make the Canadian Superbike races. We'll have to hit up that another time, but for now, you guys have a good one. Take care. I'm gonna go do some editing. Peace.